Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a New Year's nail art look for you. It's fireworks, I know, very original, but I just like painting those on my nails. So yeah, this is what it's going to be for my New Year's for 2020 nail art. So let's get started. I'm starting off as always with a clean acrylic nail. You can also do this on your natural nails, but do use a matte nail polish or a matte top coat, both to protect your nails from the acrylic paint and also to get a matte base for the paint, because it will just be, easier to work with, it'll slide around less. Alternatively, you can start off with a blue nail polish, but I wanted it to be fully painted. So I went for blue paint first, then black paint, and then I just smeared the blue and the black together until I was happy, which took approximately half a century. I was just trying to go for like the whole, like the whole smoky, foggy sky you get when there's fireworks and all. Yep. Then when everything is dry, other than a tiny little patch at almost center of the nail, just ignore that. Then it's time to start painting the actual fireworks. I'm starting off with white as usual, just because it's easy to shape out what I want. And also because it'll just make anything I put on top of it brighter. Yeah, I do actually always make sure that the backdrop is dry before I start doing this, otherwise the white is just going to mix with the backdrop and become a muddy color, which isn't what I'm going for. But yeah, fireworks are just basically the easiest thing ever to paint. You just start at some point and make stripes coming out of that point, and that's pretty much it. Then it's also time to let it dry. Once you're fully done with it, I also decided to add some stars, snowflakes, faraway fireworks. Not sure what they're supposed to be, but they look cute. Just to fill up the background a bit more. But anyway, let it dry fully before adding the colors, because again, otherwise the white is going to mix with the color and create a muddy shade. And in terms of color, you can really go for whatever you want, of course. Like, you could even use glitter nail polishes instead and just go for glittery fireworks. But I decided to go for a more warm toned piece of fireworks and a more cool toned one, because I had two pieces of fireworks on my nail anyway, so it seemed like a good idea. But yeah, I try also to not cover the actual, the white paint that's already there. I do want to keep it around there personally as sort of a glow. But it's up to personal preference. You can also cover it completely if you want, of course. But yeah, and also the brushes I'm using are just from eBay. I bought them off eBay really cheap, like free shipping from Asia, stuff like that. But especially the striper brush is very useful for this, just because it is less precise. And with fireworks especially, you want it to look kind of random, and with the with the striper brushes it's a really easy effect to get. And while the paint is still wet, I'm dragging the brush over it without any extra color just to make more of those tiny little lines. Just to make it look even more natural, I guess. Then once it's dry, I'm going to add some rhinestones. Each center of fireworks is going to get a rhinestone. I'm gluing those on with normal top coats, and then later on I'm going to add a gel top coat and I'm going to put that over top of the rhinestones as well. These are very cheap rhinestones off eBay, so it doesn't really it doesn't ruin them. Well, I mean, they're ruined pretty much as soon as you put them on your nails because you're not going to get them clean again. But the point is, if you're using more expensive, I guess, glass rhinestones that are actually pretty, then it is a bit of a waste to put top coat over top of them because it's just going to make them dull. With these it doesn't really make a difference, and the other plus is that, you know, if you put the top coat over top of them, they can actually last longer. These on me, to my own surprise, actually lasted for over 2 weeks. If you follow me on Instagram, I shared it on my stories actually. I was pretty amazed because I usually with my work as a postman sort of expect them to fall off within 2 days, but 2 weeks later they were still on there. They did start falling off after that though, but still it's, yeah, they lasted amazingly long. Then once the top coat beneath the rhinestones is completely dry, it's time to add the gel top coat like I said. Yeah, I just smeared it all over the nail, and at this point the paint of course needs to be fully dry as well, so you won't smear that. And then cure it and then you're done. You can also use a normal top coat if you don't want to use a gel top coat, of course. Bit of a perfectionist here. And then here is the final result. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please click the like button, it would really help me out. And if you want to see more videos, you can always subscribe to my channel. I actually mostly do makeup tutorials. For now at any rate, thank you very much for watching this particular video. I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope to see you next time. Bye!